This is the elevator at the UMass Eisenberg School of Management. We'll go up.
I'm probably just gonna go and try to get a seat over here. Maybe you can find a classroom. Check the field.
I should have pushed for down, I guess. Well, it can only take calls in the current direction. I want to let it shut first so that... Watch this. Indicator's overloaded by that light, so I give you kind of a tight elevator. It only has a railing on the end. At least it has this arrow to say which way it's going, and more should do that. Apparently it thinks that is far enough shut. I don't think you can see through that vent. I wonder what these pegs are for. Silent round trip. We'll end on 3 because the other elevator can be found that way as well. And it banged its way shut. This is the south of the 2 elevators at the Eisenberg School of Business. Alphond itself does not have a, that's for the side door. Called 1A. Let's look at the indicator on the way down. It's partially washed out by the lights, but maybe I can get... See how close 1 and 1A are? I forgot this has a basement. Rather quick trip down to the basement, of course. Oh no, this should be BR. I give you a thing while we're down here. 3,000 feet per minute, 100, or no, scratch that, 3,000 pounds capacity, 125 feet per minute. Let's look at the basement again. This is like B, this should be like BA. I'll take it up to 1A. One A, and here's 1. That's backwards. We just dropped down a little bit for 1. Silent trip, this is a silent trip. What floor?
Third.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi. Well, I'm just filming the elevator.
Okay, cool.
And there it is. This is the elevator at the Studio Arts building. We'll start by going down. There is a third floor, but they don't want people going up there. Scrapey door. Cab view. Looks fairly new. Let's look at one of the lights. Rather nice one. It buzzed a little bird. Oh, rather nice light at that. Silent right up to 2. No wait, I need to silent write it back down to 1. It wants to make sure it's completely level with the floor. This is the better known and front elevator at the Studio Arts building. We'll see if we can go down.
Going down.
Yes, it is. Nope, that's locked, I guess. So we go to 4. I see a blue field with a white number. You're seeing a, I'll have to zoom in. At normal, you're seeing just a white square.
Floor. Going down.
Of course it is. This is very zoomed in so that you can see it as I see it.
First floor.
That's what she said.
Going up.
Silent ride. The rear door must be for the basement, I guess.
Fourth floor. Going down. First floor. Going up.
Sounds like the voice is overdriven slightly.
Sorry.
Quick add-on, my mistake. This is the only elevator in Studio Arts. Sometimes there's a rear elevator that I haven't noticed, but for SAB, this is the only one. First elevator in the in Morrow Hall. You can only go up from here. Oh, four floors. Okay, I forgot. The numbers are sharper in person than they are through the camera. Yeah. Wow. Took a while for it to change from 3 to 4. Wonder what's up here that's so unusual. Cab view on the way down. Looks like this is used as a freight elevator. What's underneath padding? No, can't remove that. But there is a railing hiding under here. So I can't do the lights are that bright to my eyes, so I can't show you the lights because if they're that bright to my eyes, they'll probably damage the camera. At least there's a railing hiding under the padding. Silent ride. another elevator at Laurel Hall. Clunk. Now if you zoom in far enough, you can make out the elements that aren't being used. I think we were on 1. Cab view. Now here are the common tri-lights that you've seen in Albany. Now I'm all the way back in the elevator. I don't see a thing anywhere. Oh yes, there is. 4,500 pounds, 60 feet per minute.
We know. A little more than talking.
I love you.
I believe one of these had a rear door. Oh, this is floor 2? I remember oh no, yeah, this is floor 1. Yeah. This is floor 1, okay. Oh good, they replaced the one that has basement. This should be basement rear. I'll show you something, if it would work. Maybe it'll open both at once. Two R, that's how, one way you can go out, and then there's this. Does 5 work this time? Yes, it does. Although I'd be surprised if it opened on the rear door. Top floors usually do that, sometimes do. It's on the front, whatever that is, or whatever that is. And I need to leave immediately because there's probably a security camera poking right into the elevator. This time I'm only going to go up to 4 because I don't want to here's your cab view. Those tri-lights again that are so common today. There we go. Here's our basement again. Or here's their basement again. Silent ride. Well, I guess I'll go to 5 for the silent ride. Oh well. Looks like someone needs it, so we won't have the silent ride on this.
Do you need?
No.
Oh, okay.
Oh well. And that's it. 2-speed center opening door. Sounds different, right? Oh, there's no 5 here. Looks like it's used as a service elevator because there's no there's padding here. That's what it looks like underneath. Nice padding though. I'm not filming the camera, as I tend to get mad at that. Here's the usual three groups of tri-lights.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Can you?
Okay. Elevator at the Mary Ebb School of Nursing. Oh, we can go down. But will it let us do that? Yes, it does. 1R. That's the R. At least it's called ground rather than lower level or basement. At least it's called ground instead of basement. That looks like a nice ground floor. It could also be a lower level if it wanted to. 3. They're square buttons, but they have an indent in the middle. Let me show you. The indent is about right there. It didn't say 1R like that before, right? Nice thump when it stopped. Back down to G. Funny how they say that G is the exit floor when I came in on 1R. Oh, 1 and 1R are two separate things. Okay. This is a large single light. Silent ride this time. Blah. Takes quite a bit of time to go from 1 to 1R. Interesting. Buttons turn, yeah, it is kind of up-ish. So, this is one of the, both elevators at the Integrated Sciences building. Up. We go to 4. I don't see the thing oh, there we go. 4,000 pounds, 350 feet per minute. And just like that, we're at 4. Back down to 1. Cab view on the way down. Very relaxing elevator. A little dark, but these elevators like this should be taller. And it's a single light up there.
That's gotta be growing something like that.
So I'll use this one for the silent ride on the way down. Oh, that one again. Silent drip down. It flew up and down. Factory used real elevator and integrated sciences. I don't want to go down. Oh well. It says S2. I wonder where S1 is. Apparently you can't, because it's locked. It's locked.